Friends, I am Sister Sunita of your English teacher. I hope that you all are fine. After many days we are seeing each other. I am very happy to convey my class through this digital class. Dear students, I am here today to take a new lesson for you in English, that is first lesson called Peace and Harmony. By seeing the word peace and harmony, what did you understand? I think all of you know the meaning of peace. Peace is living in happy with each other. Harmony. Harmony is the meaning of without having any disturbances, living together is called peace and harmony. So dear students, before we could get into lesson, I would like to ask you some questions based on the lesson. How many of you like animals? I think all of you like animals. You have some pet animals at home. Can you say some of the animals which you have in your house? Maybe it's a dog, cat. You may keep them as a pet animals. So we love them and we try to take care of them without harming them. So today our lesson Peace and Harmony tells more about the animals which are living together happily and those who enjoy their life with other animals. So, can I ask you some questions? What type of animals do you like? You can say any animals which you like. As before I mentioned, you may like dog, cat. Most of us will be having dogs in our house as a pet animals. I think you all of you love them and take care of them daily by giving some food and making them to be happy. So this lesson tells more about the animals. Among them, which is more important, is peacock. So we see the animals among them. Peacock, what importance they are giving to the peacock. Have you seen peacock? Yes, you would have seen all of you in the photos or in the TVs or in your mobiles. Do you like peacock? And what are the features of peacock? We all of us like peacock because it looks very beautiful and attracts each and every person with a different colors. I think all of you like seeing peacock. As I said before, I too like peacock because it attracts, and those who see the peacock, they will be happy to look at it. And also, those who are seeing the peacock, they feel very happy and they praise God because of its beauty. So, as I have mentioned about the lesson name Peace and Harmony, in that now we will be learning about peacock. Students, I think those who have read the lesson before, you may know the story. But once again, I would like to tell the lesson. Those who did not read the lesson, please keenly pay attention and listen to the lesson. Here, in this lesson, we can see different animals which come together in the evenings to have their cultural programs. As all the animals are living in the forest, they like to come in the evening together and have some fun. So, among all the animals, this peacock plays an important role. So, as I said, the animal is peacock. So, it plays a great important role in this lesson because of its beauty. So, as the animals are coming together in the evening, here, the peacock attracts everybody and all the animals, dogs, cats and other wild animals, all of them living together, come to the peacock and they praise because of its beauty, telling that you are very beautiful, we are not like you. So they praise and they attract peacock by their words. Now, what is the important role of the peacock is here. As every animal is giving cultural program, they ask peacock to evaluate their performance. So Now, as these days are going very happily, all the animals are very happy with one another. One day, suddenly the jackal enters. Do you know what is the meaning of jackal? I hope that as you have read in previous classes from your 3rd, 4th, 5th, you may know the meaning of jackal. So, here jackal comes to create some disturbances among all the animals. Then, so one day the jackal comes to the cultural program and he tells that why all you are depending on peacock? You all are very beautiful. And why do you give so much importance to the peacock? So why don't you have separate cultural programs which you like, which are the animals you can like and you can call them separately. So like that this jackal starts to create a problem. So I said what is the name of the animal which disturbs the group is jackal. So this jackal wants to create some disturbances among all the animals and it wants to make all the animals to be separated from each other. So one day as all the animals came together for the cultural programs, suddenly jackal says that hereafter there will be two groups. So jackal starts to divide the group. Then suddenly each one will be talking about their beauty to the peacock. Why do we give much importance to you? As jackal said, we will be separated. We want to have a separate cultural programs. Like that many disturbances it will create. That is a jackal. So as the days are going, all the animals will be trying to go away from each other and they are not living in harmony. They are not living in peace. So that means they are not living happy life, being together. They want to have an individual life. So as this jackal started these disturbances, jackal was very happy because it has created so many problems among the disturbance among the animals. Children, I would like to ask you something. Do you have this same problem in your class or in your house or in your playing places? I think all of us in our little ways we experience this division. So I feel that can you tell me some disturbances which you have with your friends? Maybe two friends living together and third person comes and tells something against another person. It is a disturbance for you. I think you understood the meaning of living in peace and harmony. Like that, how this jackal created disturbances among the animals in the forest, like that we also experience in our daily life. So now, again when we come to the story, we can see that jackal was successful in disturbing the whole group in the forest. Jackal is very very happy because it created a disturbance among them. But other animals, peacock was very upset because not that they want to praise, it wants to get praises from others, but it is creating a disturbance among them. For that, peacock was very sad and it wants to live in a peace and harmony. One day, peacock will go and tell to the moon, Moon, I don't like to be as a guest in the forest for the cultural programs. Can you come as a guest to our forest so that all the animals may again come together, because they think that I am the beauteous person, I am very good with each other. So let me also take one part among with all my friends. Like that, this peacock will go and tell to moon to come as a guest. So suddenly, another day when they have a cultural program, the moon will come as a guest. So all the animals were now, they are happy to come together because now peacock also joined among all the animals in the forest. So dear students, I think you understood and you got the key of the story. When the moon came as a guest to assist their cultural programs, all were happy because peacock also join along with all the animals. Now there is nobody greater than other animals. All are equal. So suddenly when the moon comes as a guest and it assesses and tells that all the programs are very good, all looks very beautiful. When the moon gives very positive points to the group, now suddenly the jackal becomes very sad. Why do you think jackal became very sad? Because now jackal is thinking that it will fail to disturb the group, because now moon is telling good things to all the animals in the forest. All are very happy to listen, and again they would like to come together and live in peace and harmony. Because of this problem, now jackal gets upset, and suddenly jackal one day it will sit separately and it will be thinking another new ideas. So we know that suppose if some are those who want to create some stories, some disturbances among us, if they fail, they feel very sad and they try to get another new ideas to disturb the group. Like that, this jackal also was upset in how to create a new ideas in order to disturb the whole group. Now, as the story comes to the end, now all the animals are speaking against jackal, telling that after coming jackal into the forest, all the disturbances they started, and they realized each other, telling that we have blamed peacock and we all went away from the group. So let us come together, as the moon told that let us all live in peace and harmony, come together and have a happy life as we have before. Dear students, I think you understood the gist of the story. I think, as I said before, some of you may be having your old textbooks. So those who don't have, ask your seniors, those who got last year. You just take the book and go through it, and silently you read and you write down which character do you like. That means dear students, please write which character which animals role do you like in the story? And what do you like in them? What do you like in them? Children, you please write down the two animals already I have told, peacock and jackal. So which animals role you liked it, and what are the things you like in that animal, please write down. And tomorrow when I come for next class, I will be asking you all. I hope you understood the lesson, and please go through the following story, and please write down the hard words which you did not understand. I will explain to you later. Thank you, dear students, for listening patiently.